Go back and forth, bouncing like on a trampoline. But if you're headed there, and we know certain volumes, certain dollar figures, certain abilities to do that, as the size of your shop can make a big difference. That's your business.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to jump to the management side down here. So we got to look at management as more of getting things done. So your staff is working in the business every day. You're part of the staff, still doing the same thing, but you are in the fray of the business with no written processes or systems to follow. You are a firefighting management style, right? No one ever does that, do they? Run around fighting fires about this and that and the other. We call this caught in the weeds of management. So if you love that, stay right there. Now, level 2 is beginning to create management using a systemic approach, doing things done through people, running the processes and systems, and have a list of processes and systems that need to be written. If it's not written, how are you going to hold anybody accountable? Impossible. Absolutely impossible. And most shop owners, where are the SOPs?
In their brain.
Between their ears, right?
Yeah.
So if you don't have any written systems, and what happens when your service advisor leaves and they depart the building? What goes out the door with them?
The brain.
All the systems and processes leave, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
And is that good or bad position to be in?
Terrifying.
Terrifying. Yeah. Now we call that who's in control, right?
Customers, all of them, every day.
Yeah. Service advisor is in control because you fear losing them because they know how to do their job, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So we want to capture these processes. So in case we have turnover, we have new people coming in, we got a way to train them. So we're creating those systems and processes. Then level 4 management is well documented set of processes and systems that have created a management style using a systemic approach. Anything's done through people running process and systems. Have a few minor ongoing changes in the process and systems that are written. If you believe that you're going to write all these beautiful SOPs, you're going to put them in a manual and put them on the shelf, don't do it. They have to be out in front of everybody where they're being monetized, talked about, all the things that are going on. And Brian, we always refer that as the STS, the staff training session. Yep. And I'm a proponent of picking 10 key systems that make the business run, and we rotate through those 10 key SOPs. And what happens every time we rotate through those SOPs?
You're learning.
Learning, modifying, changing. So systems in your business are never, ever complete. Does anybody on this phone call remember when you used to write tickets without computers?
I do.
Yeah.
And Fred, what did the ticket say? R&R alternator, R&R radiator. That's all that said on there, right?
You get a hand cramp writing what we write today with a computer.
Oh, it'd be impossible. So I remember paying hundreds of dollars to automotive shops to fix my car R&R.
Yeah.
That's also on there. And they had a bunch of file cabinets in the back, right? With my account had probably a folder that thick full of all the repair orders. Wow. We've come a long way, baby.